Dear students, today I am going to explain the chapter 3 for class 8 mathematics, understanding quadrilaterals. First of all, I want to tell here that this chapter is important for all who are appearing in Olympiads and also in class 8 CBSE exams or some other boards. So please watch this video carefully, and if you have any queries, please write down in our videos as a comment. Let's start. Understanding quadrilaterals. As the name suggests, what is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral, quad plus laterals. Quad means 4, laterals means side. That a figure which has 4 sides, 4 angles, 4 vertices are known as a quadrilateral. It's known as a polygon. Polygons means any figure which have more than 2 sides. A triangle can be a polygon, rectangle can be polygon, parallelogram can be polygon, square can be polygon, hexagon, pentagon, all can be polygon. Polygon is which have more than 2 sides, more than 2 angles, and more than 2 vertices are known as a polygon. Like here I'm drawing a picture for you for polygon. That this is not the polygon, but this is the polygon because it has 4 sides. B, C, and D. These 4 are the vertices A, B, C, D. These 4 are the angles. These 4 are the angles. A, B, C, D, 4 vertices, 4 angles, 4 sides also there. Which one is the 4 side? A, B, B, D, C, D, A, C. These 4 are the vertices. This is the quadrilaterals. Now let's this only the definition to tell you what is the quadrilaterals. We will study it in detail in this chapter about the quadrilaterals, their shapes, their angles. So first of all, where to start? Where to start quadrilaterals, or where to start this chapter? That is the basic, is that we have a sample papers. Sample papers, paper is a model for a plane surface. In paper like this is the paper, and this has a plane surface. So only whole this is the plane surface. But if we write down something on it, then paper may be some meaningful. Now, if we draw a line, or we draw a point, or we draw some other hair, or we try to make the points combinations, then that becomes something. So first of all, we will study here about the curve. That what is curve? Curve. Any line is a curve. Line can be straight, line can be bended, it can be straight, it can be bended. The curves are formed by drawing without lifting the pen from the paper, like this. This is the curve. This is the curve. This is the curve. This is again curve. So we made these figures like this, and this figure without lifting the pen from the paper. So any images, anything that made without lifting the pen from the paper is known as a curve. Yeah, a curve can be formed by drawing without lifting the pen from the paper. So this is the figure 1. This is the figure 2. This is the figure 3. This is the figure 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 figure. So what we know about these figures? A curve which doesn't cross itself is a simple curve that doesn't cross itself. Means that doesn't cross. Cross means like this is crossing each other. This is crossing the line. But this figure 1 is not crossing to each other. That's just made by lifting only that without lifting the paper. This is the curve. This is known as a simple curve. If a curve that doesn't cross itself is a simple curve. Like figure 1, figure 1, figure 2, that circle is also made like this, and none cross it. Then figure 3 and figure 4 are not simple curve because they cross itself. They cross itself like this. This figure 4 is also crossing itself. It is not a simple curve. So figure 1 and 2 are the simple curve. Simple curve means that the curve that formed by simply without lifting the pen from the paper, and they don't cross the lines, don't cross each other. One more is the closed curve. Curve which has no open end is a closed curve. So which one is the closed curve from it? Closed curve which has no open end, like this. This curve has open end, but this curve has no open end. The circle, this curve has no open end. Like I'm drawing again so that you don't confuse. This one is the closed curve. In figure, this is the open curve. Again, figure 3 is the open curve, but figure 2, that is the circle, is the closed curve. Again, this is figure 4 is again the closed curve. This has no open end. So this is the simple curve. Curve is forming by drawing simply without lifting the pen from the paper. That is the curve. Simple curve No, not simple curve. Simple curve is that without lifting this, and the not simple curve which cross itself is not a simple curve. Then there is the open curve. Open curve is which is open, as you are seeing in the figure 1, and closed curve is all vertices are closed. All vertices are closed, like in 4 figure. So that is the closed curve. Now come to the point next. That's the important, and by which at the initial stage I have told you about the quadrilaterals. The quadrilateral is a polygon that has 4 sides, 4 vertices, 4 angles. So here, what is the polygon? What is the polygon? What is the polygon? Polygon is a simple closed figure made up of line segments, different line segments. The polygon is simple, it is closed, made up of line segments, means जो line से बनती है, that drawn through the lines. Simple closed curve, like you can make a triangle. This is the closed. It is simple, but these are the line segments. Rectangle, again it is a polygon. So there are these all are the polygon. A polygon is a figure, it is closed, it has side more than 2, vertices are more than 2, like is A, B and C. A, B and C are the vertices, and A, B, B, C and A, C are the sides. Here in this figure also, A, B, C and D. All these are the vertices. A, B, B, C, C, D and D, A are the sides. And this is the angle. This is the polygon. These are the angles. A polygon which has more than 2 sides, more than 2 vertices and more than 2 angles is known as a polygon. The minimum number of vertices of a polygon is 3. Anything less than 3 is not a polygon. Like this is not a polygon. This is only the line segment, not a polygon. This also is not a polygon. It's a open curve. It's only curve. But the figure which has more than 2 sides, more than 2 vertices, more than 2 angles are known as a polygon. But there are many types of polygon that can be classified according to their number of vertices, number of angles, etc. Like if you have 3 sides, triangle, any triangle has 3 sides. Then the quadrilateral, quadrilaterals has 4 sides, 4 sides, 4 vertices. This is the quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Then is the pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides. Hexagon. Hex and penta means 5. Pentagon has 5 sides. Then hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides because hex means 6. Hexagon has 6 sides. Then is the heptagon. Seven sides. You can draw the figure for the triangle. Triangle is like this. Quadrilateral is like this. It has 4 sides. Pentagon has 5 sides. Pentagon has 5 sides like this. Pentagon has 5 sides. One, two, three, four, 5. This is the pentagon. Then the hexagon. Hexagon has the 6 sides. Hexagon has 6 sides. One, two, three, four, 5, 6 sides. Then the heptagon. Heptagon has 7 sides. This heptagon. Seven sides. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, and 7. This heptagon has 7. Octagon has 8 sides. Octagon has 8 sides. Nonagon. Nine sides. Nonagon has heptagon. Heptagon has 8 sides. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is the heptagon. Then is the nonagon. Nonagon has 9 sides. 9 sides. Decagon. Decagon has 10 sides. Decagon has 10 sides. So all these are the figures. These are the polygon. The polygons on the number of sides or on the number of vertices are classified. Like triangle is the smallest polygon that has 3 sides and 3 vertices, 3 angles. Then quadrilateral has the 4 sides. Pentagon has the 5 sides. Hexagon has 6 sides. Heptagon has 7 sides. Heptagon have 8 sides. Nonagon 9 sides. Decagon 10 sides. All these are the polygons. Now we will these all are the types of the polygons, that is the triangle, etc. Or then There are two more types of the polygons, that is the interior and exterior of polygons. If any points are inside a closed polygon, then that is the interior of the polygon, and if are outside of the polygon, then that is the exterior of the polygon. Interior interior and exterior polygon. Let's interior polygon. Let's set an example. This is a polygon, and this polygon has point A, B, C, D, and E. Then if a points are inside, like this is the X, this is the Y, then X, Y are the interior of the polygon. X, Y are in interior of polygon. And if we write point like this, P and Q, these points are exterior of the polygon. These points are exterior of the polygon. This is the exterior, this is the interior. Means outside of the polygon, closed polygon, outside of the closed polygon are the exterior point, and inside of the closed polygon is the interior point, and then one more is the point on the polygon. It means if a point is on the side of the polygon, like here, like this point is the Z, then Z is known as a on the polygon. On the polygon. So this is all about the polygons. Now let's discuss about sides, vertices, and diagonals. Now let's think a figure, an example of a polygon. This is a polygon A, B, C, D, and E. What are the vertices? Here the points A, B, C, D, and E are the vertices of a polygon. Vertices of a polygon. And this AB, BC, CD, DE, and DE and EA are the sides of polygon. These are the sides of the polygon. Then what is the diagonal? Diagonal is the line joining any two vertices which are not adjacent. What means adjacent? Here, E vertices and D vertices, these are the adjacent. So if a line that joins D and E is not a diagonal, but if this D join any other point on this polygon rather than its adjacent, then that is the diagonal. It means diagonal is the line joining any two vertices which are not adjacent. Like this is the diagonal here, DB. DB may be the diagonal. C, EC may be the diagonal. AD may be the diagonal. If you draw a line from A to D, then it is the diagonal. So these are the diagonals. Diagonal of a line joining any two vertices which are not adjacent. So, today we will do till the sides, vertices and diagonal of the polygon. In the next lecture, I will tell you about the types of the polygon: convex, concave, regular, irregular polygon, and angle sum property of polygon. So till then, students, study it. If you have any problem related to any topic, then feel free to ask, comment us at our videos. Thank you.